Good morning everyone. Now our today's topic is right angle triangle. We are going to learn how to construct the right angle triangle. This right angle means 90 degree. Whenever right angle is there, that means you have to draw the 90 degree. Not more than that, not less than that. So just see the rough diagram of right angle. The right angle is like that. Just assume this is a right angle, any right angle triangle. Its name is P, Q and R. Here this sign is very important. This means right angle triangle. If this is not there, that means your construction is wrong. In that, side PR is known as hypotenuse. Side PR is known as hypotenuse. This one is the base and this is height. This hypotenuse is always greater than these two sides. Hypotenuse is always greater than base and height. So you should be clear what is hypotenuse, what is base and what is height. Now we do the fair construction of right angle triangle. Now we draw the right angle triangle. Here also again right angle is there. That means we have to draw the 90 degree. In question, there are two types of question. For example, draw triangle LMN such that angle M is 90 degree, LN is 5 cm, MN is 3. Here 90 degree is given, so there is no problem. Now we have to decide what is hypotenuse and what is base. So the greater number is hypotenuse and smaller number is base. I repeat, greater number is a hypotenuse and smaller number is a base. Second question is, draw right angle triangle ABC with AC 7.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm. See, in this question, greater number hypotenuse, lesser number base, but angle is not there. So don't be confused. Here right angle is there. That means we have to draw the 90 degree. If angle is not there and right angle is there, so we have to draw 90 degree. Now just see the construction of both. First we draw the first one. So first we have to draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram is very important. Okay, now we draw the fair diagram of this one. This is our rough diagram. LMN. MN is 3 cm, LN is 5 cm. This LN is a hypotenuse. Opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So first we draw the base. Draw it now. 3 cm. One point on 0, second point on 3. Make a line. Write MN 3 cm. Then 90 degree we have to draw at angle M. So we draw the 90 degree and just join this one. Mark this line. Now with your rounder, make an arc of 5 cm. With the help of scale, take in rounder 5. Like that. So this is the 5 cm. Put the needle of rounder on point N and make an arc. So that intersecting point is our point L. Now we just join this one. So we got our required triangle LMN with base 3 cm and hypotenuse 5 cm with angle 90 degree. Understood everyone? Now we will draw the second one. So in second one also, first we have to draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram is very important. Now see, this is our rough diagram for the second question. Right angle triangle ABC. BC is 5.5 centimeter, AC is 7.5 centimeter. Earlier I said the largest number is the hypotenuse. Now we draw the fair diagram of this one. First we draw the base. You all know we have to draw the base. 5.5, 1.0, second point, after 5 line. Right here. Now in this side, in this question we draw the angle here, that as your wish we write here BC 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw the right angle at B. Here is given B. Now just draw the right angle triangle. Make an arc. Just join these 2 points. Make here 90 degree. Now draw the hypotenuse 7.5 centimeter. So in your rounder take the meter 7.5 centimeter, like that. So this is your 7.5 centimeter. Now put your pointer on needle's point C and make an arc like that. So this intersecting point is point A. You just join these 2 points A and C. So you got your required triangle ABC. Hypotenuse AC 7.5 centimeter, base BC 5.5 centimeter, right angle at B 90 degree. So this is 2 sums that you have to write, and on the basis of this you have to complete your practice set 5. And if you have any doubt, then ask after the video. Thank you.